In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble your new Fixie bike. Your bike will arrive in a box like this. As you can see, on the front of the box, there are some stickers to alert our friends at FedEx to be careful with the box. There's also handles on each side of the box for easy maneuverability. The first step will be to take everything out of the box and place it on a carpet if possible. Once you have unpacked everything, you will have your frame with your back wheel completely attached, your handlebars, which are attached to the frame with a zip tie, your front wheel, you'll have your seat post, your pedals, and your tool bag with your owner's manual attached. The next step is to carefully unwrap all parts of the bike. Now I've removed all the packaging from the bicycle. When cutting the zip tie on the handlebars, be careful for the brake cables that are here. All of the packaging materials are reusable or recyclable. Here at Project Bikes, we try to reuse and recycle all of the materials that we possibly can. The next step is to install the handlebars. Remove the stem protection. Align the stem to the head tube. Keep the bolt pushed down. Slide the stem into the head tube. Align the handlebar and the forks. And tighten the stem belt using the hex wrench provided in your toolkit. Once you get some resistance using the long end, use the short end of the hex wrench to tighten the bolt securely. Now we are going to attach the seat post onto the seat. Place your seat facing down on a clean surface. Use your hex wrench to loosen the seat post bolt so that you can move the bracket on the seat post. Now we're going to attach the bracket onto the seat rails. This is where you can adjust the bracket according to your comfort level. The maximum markings are on the seat rails. Once you've found the most comfortable position for you, you can also adjust the seat post angle. Then you're going to slide the bracket back into place. Pushing on the bolt may assist you in doing this. Last step is to tighten the bolt using your hex wrench. Once you've installed the seat on the seat post, slide the seat post into the seat tube. Find a height that's comfortable for you and use your wrench provided to tighten the seat post clamp. Make sure that the seat post clamp is tightened securely. Then you can lift your back reflector to an upward angle. Now it's time to install the pedals. Start by locating your left pedal and your right pedal. There's an L on the left pedal and an R on the right pedal. Now we're going to install the right pedal into the right crank arm, which also has an R located on the side of it. When you're installing your pedals, be sure and screw them in towards the front of the bicycle. You can do this manually, and then use your wrench provided in your toolkit to tighten it completely. Now we're going to install the left pedal. When installing the pedals, be sure that the pedal shaft is lined up with the hole in the crank arm. Now we're going to screw it again towards the front of the bicycle. On the left side, it defies logic a bit because we're screwing it towards the left to tighten it. Again, tighten it manually as much as possible. Then use your wrench to tighten it completely. Always toward the front of the bicycle. Now it's time to install the front wheel. Loosen the bolts on both sides and push the washers out to make space for the fork dropout. About 1/2 inch should be sufficient. The last step is to secure the front wheel. Turn your bicycle upside down. Place your front wheel into position. Make sure that the washers are to the outside of the fork. Now that I have the washer tooth located in the gap, I'm going to manually tighten the bolts. Once they can't be tightened any further manually, use your wrench to tighten them further. Now your fixie bike is ready for its first ride. Before riding, make sure that your seat, handlebars, and front wheel are all aligned and all the bolts are securely tightened. Feel free to leave us a comment below or contact us with any questions. Thank you.